Hey, what's going on? If you're here for the first time, my name is Gopal and today I'm going to unbox a mirrorless camera which is Canon EOS M100. I got it for 30,000 rupees from Amazon. The official price is 37,935 rupees. It gives 1 plus 1 2 years of warranty. Let's see what's inside the box. A warranty card, EOS M100 manual, and we have something inside. A Sdxc 16 GB card. Photography training details. This I will read later. Now let's see. Camera strap. This helps to hold your camera steady while shooting. Here we have battery charger unit. And let's see. This looks like camera body. Next is a power cable for charging unit. And here's the battery. Hope it has some charge to check the camera to use. And finally, here's the lens. Feels small to me, but let's check it all together. Keeping aside all the things on the table, and let's check the charging unit. Looks like normal unit to me, and the power cable to connect the charger. It's around 1 meter in length. Here we have the camera body. It's so tiny, there's no grip at all. It feels amazing although it has all plastic, and let's check it later. Here's the camera lens. It's the standard 15 to 45mm, which is awesome. It also has image stabilizer print on it. The body is amazing, and here's the threaded hole for tripod. The mode dial on the top of the camera has only 3 modes: Intelligent Auto, Creative and Video mode. And just beside it, it has a shutter button and on-off button. The camera feels relatively robust considering the mostly plastic construction. A 3-inch touchscreen display can be tilted upward so that you can capture selfies easily with the camera, and it's good for vlogging as well. And the ports, here you have a micro USB port and a mini HDMI port. And on this side, Sdxc card slot, which is excellent because when the camera is on tripod, you want to change the card. Just pop it out. Let's put the card inside. Is the SanDisk 16 GB card Canon is giving free. And the camera has an LP-E12 lithium-ion battery. Let's just put it inside. The battery is rated to last for around 300 to 350 shots on a single charge, which should be enough for the whole day of shooting. And we all are set. Let's open this cover. A 24 megapixel CMOS sensor. And let's check the lens now. And is the 15 to 45mm kit lens, focal 3.5 to 6.3 with STM focus system. Let's put the lens on real fast. The camera records full HD video at 60 fps with optical image stabilization available in the lens, as well as electronic image stabilization. Switching on the camera and just skip the date setting for now. Unlock and rotate the lens. Here we have. The display is crisp and clear. It has all sorts of information on it. Canon M100 lacks a microphone jack, which is disappointing, but it has a mind-blowing wind filter alternator. Inside the EOS M100, you have a 24 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor with Canon's DIGIC 7 processor. Canon says image processing is same one found in EOS M6. In addition, the EOS M100 has a dual pixel CMOS autofocus. But we have to wait for a full review and to see if the autofocus on EOS M100 is good. That's it for now. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe.